Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video on this hairstyle right here. I got requests on Instagram and YouTube, so I will be loading videos to both platforms. If you don't follow me on Instagram, girl, I do not know why we are not friends on Instagram. I will have the link to my Instagram down below. I'm really sorry if it's so like the lighting is strange, you guys. The weather is trying to change and it's been raining and I'm like, where is the sun? Where is the sun? I need you. I need you. So yeah, this should be a really cute quick one, you guys. This is not a hairstyle for, you know, a whole week. This is cute for the day. Like this is a back to school type of hairstyle. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I'm not going to talk much in this video, but I do have to get my music going. Comment down below what music you listen to when you're doing your hair and makeup. Today, I'm listening to Lemonade. So after I got out of the shower, I went ahead and brushed my edges down. And I'm going to start putting coconut oil all over my hair just to add some moisture and some shine. Well, in this video, I am about 14 weeks post relaxer, so my line of demarcation is getting really fragile and sensitive at this point. So after this, I probably won't do too much styling. After adding my coconut oil, I'm going to try and get my part as straight as possible. I don't know about you guys, but normally this takes me a couple of times, but I eventually get it right. I couldn't find my wide tooth comb, so I'm just going to lightly finger detangle and then move on to my paddle brush. I'm telling you, I'm only doing this for you guys because I really did not want to put any combs or brushes to my hair, but I need to smooth my hair out as much as possible. I'm just going to add a little bit more coconut oil to that line of demarcation to kind of help the paddle brush glide through my hair a bit better. So once I have it kind of smooth and in the position I want it to be, I'm going to grab an ouchless hairband and then tie my hair as tight as possible without it being too tight. Okay, so now that that side is smooth and complete, we're just going to repeat those same steps on the other side, starting with the coconut oil, and then we're going to smooth it into place. So I am coming up on a relaxer. Those of you that follow me know I get my relaxers 4 times a year at the top of every season. So my fall relaxer is due on the 26th, and I think I'm going to ask her to take about 2 inches off. Only because I hate see-through ends and I feel like I could use a good 2 inches off. Okay, now that I have my second ponytail in place, I don't know about you guys, but I love this little playful hairstyle. I love my 2 ponytails. I can wear them all day, all the time. Seriously. Here I'm just smoothing my hair out and I give it one good twist, bring it around, and then tuck my ends under the fullness of my bun and then pin it. I do prefer to use hairpins over bobby pins because I feel like it doesn't pull on my hair as much as a bobby pin would, and it still holds my hair into place. So here you'll see that I'm just repeating those same steps on the other side. And for some reason, this other side here just was bothering me. I don't feel like I did it correctly. So I'm just going to go in really quickly, speed the video up, and fix this other side. After that, I'm just going to add these cute little hairpins that I picked up from Target. I'm going to add 2 to each side. Okay, now that this is complete, you can just smooth down any flyaways. If you choose to try this hairstyle, you can always spray some light holding spray on your buns, but this is it. Okay, you guys, guys, so this is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until the next time, be love.